Hello, welcome back to part 2. Right, what's happened since I last spoke to you? Not a lot really. Got an aerial in to sort the water leak out, but I haven't fitted it yet. The connector's different on the cable, so I've got to look into that. But trying to find a video on how that sounds silly. I didn't want to force the interior light, but trying to find a video on somebody changing the aerial on one of these, I couldn't do it. There's a lot of people stealing them up like this one is already. Just in case you got one of these, I will do a video on it, I think. But you just sort of prise this off, and that comes down, and you can prise that off. And then you can get to this, and you can see the aerial, and you can unbolt it and whatever. But I'll do a video on that at a later date. But like I said, I got it all down, and then realised that the cable fitting was different on the aerial, so I've just chucked it back. It takes a couple of minutes, so I've chucked it back up there for now. Yeah, because obviously, you know, I've got a water leak, and I've done just on 100 miles, I think. And I was looking down now, I don't know if you can see the mat, it's wet, because this rubber one's been on top of it. And I started also thinking, oh, heater rad. So just stay in the carpet, can't you? But no, I mean, I know it come out of that light, because it was dripping on my test drive. So, yeah. Alright. Yeah, that carpet's absolutely soaked right up here. Don't know what the best way of drying it out is. It's nice today, so I'll just leave the doors open for the rest of the day. Yeah. No antifreeze smell to it anyway, apart from mould. I've just chucked some board on the door, just to try things. See if I can screw to that. It's only 3mm MDF. Only a very good choice though, not chippy. I thought I'd just try it. It's only cheap, so I thought I'd try it and give it a go. I've just done the back doors and then obviously got to line up. Been playing this morning before we went out to get the board with a toolbox set. I've chucked everything back in here because I went in for my dinner and I had deliveries, parts deliveries, and I bought a new pump. Yeah, trying to put everything in here, and what I did do is I put that toolbox there in the end so you can get to the side door, and I had this one down there. I moved it about, so I say, and I had the top box on top of this, but that wasn't very successful. That was a bit dodgy, that was. That seemed okay. It is cable tied to the thing at the moment. Compressor is cable tied to the thing, but that didn't move. Jack didn't move. So I've chucked everything on top of it now, so it looks like I bombs hit it. There's my new aerial on the top box. So there's a missing here, but I've had about 8 or 9 deliveries since we pulled back up. Like I chucked it in there and we went in some dinner. I'll show you some of the couple of bits what I turned up for the van. It's the working lights what I was on about. I ordered a pair of these and they were £12 something. I think it was just about £12, I can't remember now, off eBay. 27 watt, like I say, it's 2 of these, 27 watt each, LEDs. And I'm still not too sure if I'm going to bolt them to the roof or have them indoors, you know, inside the van, and maybe mind up here. Well, now I move that mat, you can smell it. But yeah, I thought they'd be right for working lights. I was going to have one on the side door. I thought perhaps I'll buy another pair. But really there isn't room for it. At least it goes on the roof. But yeah, quite smart looking, don't they, for that money. I've dropped the nut in amongst all that crap I was unwrapping it this morning. I have tried it. I tried it on that wire what's hanging down, and yeah, it's doing alright. seem quite bright in daylight. I mean, what they're like at night, I don't know. Pretty good, I should imagine. Yeah. Bought this yesterday as well. That's a little Bluetooth thing so you can talk. Pretty neat. Got a magnet on there. Got a bracket on there, and it just sticks to that. I think we can see it here. So I thought that's handy to have for the phone if I'm going mobile, because barely get nicked talking on the phone. So I mean, I've got an earpiece, cheap earpiece off eBay for about £6 what I've been using. I use it in the workshop a lot. I thought that's handy because it's got a magnet on it. I can actually put that on the back doors, and I don't have to take the gloves off or whatever, or cover my phone in grease. I can just answer it on that. Then I bought a new TomTom. I've had a TomTom one for years. 2007 I think I got it, yeah, so I've had it for quite a few years, and I think that TomTom one is brilliant. It's got everything I want on it, and it's always got me there, you know. So I bought this one just because the missus knows how to use the other one, and I thought if we were out at the same time, I'm knackered because obviously I need a sat nav. So I bought this little one. It was I think about £80 from Halfords. Didn't think about looking around. I thought, oh, I don't need one, I'll get one, you know. Silly really. But yeah, it seems alright. I'll let you know when it takes me down a byway or something, or down an old lane or something where it's supposed to be going down. But yeah, I don't think it's as good as my other one, because I went to my mum's, and that told me really that's supposed to be the fastest route, but it told me the worst way really. Now little single track lanes, but maybe I need to set it on the what's the other one, economy. Maybe I need to try that, I don't know. But on the fastest route, it really wasn't the fastest route you give me. But yeah, I thought I'd have to get one, so I got one. I don't know, I mean, like I say, that's the cheapest one they had there. That's the easiest way. I could have got a Garmin, I think, a bit cheaper, but I'll allow that, but alright. I'm going to order my split circuit stuff and all that next week. And the electric battery and all that next week, so hopefully if the weather's not too bad I'll do that. I've just been trying to figure out how I'm going to run the cables actually. Not too sure at the moment. Probably have to go underneath the van, I reckon. Not too sure about that. Yeah. I've been to see about getting it sign written, and the bloke's going to do it in Braintree. But he's so busy at the moment, it's like a 2-week thing before I can get into. He's going to get a chance to design it for me. Only going for the basics stuff, nothing flash. Not going to have it wrapped or nothing. But yeah, so it's going to the next couple of weeks before, like 2 weeks before he's got time to book it in. And maybe if I get a chance I might be able to film some of it being done. Be nice if I can. But so I think that's it for this one, because I'm trying to keep them a bit shorter because it takes so long to upload, and there's plenty more to come. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.